Hi, Jackie Matthews here with Adventure Weights World Travel. Today I'm here to talk to you about setting up your personal account if you're taking a Viking cruise. We have a lot of people we put on Viking cruises every month, ocean, river, expedition. Viking does a fabulous job and my clients always come home happy and excited to take their next cruise. So if you want to set up your personal account, it's very, very easy. And once you do, it opens up a whole lot of information for you to plan your next cruise. So let's get started.
Okay, so the obvious first question is, why set up a personal account? Well, once you have a Viking booking and you're under deposit, it's a really great way to get ready for your cruise. On your personal account, you can view air services and your flight details if you're using Viking Air. You can complete your guest information form. You can make easy online payments, browse and book shore excursions, get answers to frequently asked questions, access and print important documents, enhance your trip with a Silver Spirits premium beverage package. So it's a really good thing to do to set up your personal account. Okay, so once you're booked and deposited, you can create your online personal account. Simply go to www.myvikingjourney.com/account/create account. Okay, here's what the screen is going to look like. I've highlighted everything you're going to need to fill in. It's very simple and straightforward. You will need to type in your booking number, which you can find in the top left-hand side of your booking form. Usually it's a 7-digit number. Just fill in all those boxes. Make sure and choose an email address that you want Viking to communicate with you. I have an old email address that I check like twice a year. I would not use that one. I want to use an email address that I'm looking at every day in case Viking sends me something important I need to know. Then choose your password and make sure to record that password someplace so that you can retrieve it or remember it. John and I like to keep our passwords, and we've got hundreds of them with our business, in an app called 1Password. It's just the number 1 and password, and it's a great place. We have all of our websites and all of our passwords in there, and it's just nice and easy. But you want to record that and keep it someplace where you'll remember it. Once you've created your account, you now have access to My Viking Journey, your personal account, which is filled with a plethora of important information for you regarding your upcoming cruise. It allows you to do a number of things right there online, very convenient. So now when you log into My Viking Journey, you're going to see this screen, and you can put in your email address and your password and log in. This is what mine looks like. John and I are so excited to be hosting a Christmas market cruise this Christmas. You will see your cruise, you'll see the dates of your sailing, your booking number, guests, and days to go. Notice you will also see payment and cart, manage my air, travel requirements. You'll see guest documents, shore excursions, extensions. Those will be your pre and post cruise extensions, important information before you go, a calendar of your activities, and onboard experience.
See, I told you it was easy to set up your personal account. And once you get in there, there's a treasure trove of information. In fact, I'm doing another video, it'll be out soon, on all the different things you can do inside your personal account for Viking. By the way, if you've set up your booking online, you just called into Viking and just did it yourself, and you've suddenly realized, gosh, there's a lot to this, and I would like some help, we would be honored to represent you. If you are under deposit, but you have not made final payment, if you're within that first 6 months of deposit, you can assign us as your agents. There's no fee for our service, and we would love to represent you. We help with shore excursions, pre and post cruise, transfers, ideas on what are great things to see at each port, reminders about when things need to happen. My clients will just text me and say, hey, Jackie, can you make this happen? Or can you find out the answer to this question? And that's my job. And it makes your life easier. So you're just out playing and you just send me a text of what you need to know and I find out the answer to get it back to you. But if you enjoy calling in and sitting on the phone for a long time, press 1 for this, press 2 for that, and we'll be with you in 10 minutes. Feel free to do that too. But if you're busy and you would like some help, give us a call. We'd love to represent you. I hope you enjoyed this video and your next adventure awaits.